guys, Steve from B&S Customs here. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on a 2016 Chrysler 300. The first thing you want to do is after you pop the hood is to go ahead and pop off the oil cap here, the refill. And as you can see, this is going to use 5w20. We have full synthetic for that. The oil filter is going to be right here inside this canister here. Let's turn the light on. There it is. So we're just going to take this off when we're all done. I really like this design. None of the oil spills anywhere. It's just a cartridge that goes in. So one other thing I want to interject here is that we need a 24mm socket to get that cap off later on. So to get to the oil drain plug, we have to remove the plastic protector here. There's 4 10mm bolts right here. There's 1, 2 in the front, and there's 2 in the back. I'm going to go ahead and take that off now, and then we're going to drain the oil. And so as you can see now with the 4 bolts out, this drops right down, and right there is our oil drain plug. I'm going to go ahead and just remove this right off the car so it's out of the way and it doesn't get any oil on it. Okay, so this just uses a 13mm socket. Go ahead and get this off. There we go. Want to make sure the engine oil is a little warm. Let's go ahead and drive the car a little bit, let the engine cool down just a slight bit, and then pull the oil out. Let's go ahead and remove the drain plug now without making too much of a mess. All right, so right now most of the oil's come out of the car. It's just drizzling out here. You want to go ahead and clean off your drain plug. Make sure it's nice and clean like that. Go ahead and reinsert it here. Stop the little drizzle that's happening. Take a rag. Clean up the area. And now we're just gonna snug it on. Don't want to over torque it on. There's no reason to be the Hulk with it. Just make sure it's on there nice and tight. That's it. And there we go. So now I'm gonna go ahead, replace the plastic tray underneath here to cover all this up. Put the 4 10mm bolts back in. I'm gonna bring the car down, and then we're gonna change the filter cartridge under the hood. Car back on the ground now. We're going to go ahead and use our 24mm socket and take out the cartridge from here, the canister. I already broke it loose off camera because I needed 2 hands. All right, now that we have it, pull it straight up and turn it upside down so you catch any oil that's going to come out with it. Okay, you see? Very nice and clean job. No oil spill anywhere. Cartridge looks pretty good too. Let's go ahead and replace it now. All right, so this should just come right out. All we're gonna do is just pull it straight out. Pops right out, as you can see. Now we're gonna open up a new one. The part number is, now I got the extended guard one, which is good for 20,000 miles. So that's XG11665 frame. Oil filter for this car. There's the new one. Should also be a new O-ring here, which we're going to replace now. You can see right here, there is an O-ring on it, and we're just going to put the new one on first. All you got to do is take a screwdriver, and just get behind it, and then just roll it off. There it is. New one. Take a little oil. There should be some on the inside. Give a good coating. Just a little coating to the new one. That's all you need. Like I said, there's oil on the inside of the canister here you can use just to rub it on there. And then stretch it over. And roll it back down into the groove. Channel. And there we go. Get the new cartridge. Click it in. And it's set to reinstall. So now to reinstall it, we're just going to start it by hand. Throw it in, and start turning it in. You should immediately just catch. It's already in. Hand tight until it's snug. Take your 24mm and just snug it on there. You don't want to be the Hulk with this. There's no reason to be. Right now it's still driving freely. There it is. Just stopped. Do a little more and done. Now we're going to add 6 quarts of oil. The car takes 5w20 by your favorite synthetic brand that you enjoy the most. I went with the 15,000 mile version. I still change oil every 10,000 miles though. And I did buy a extended life oil filter as well, so should be good for that much of the life. You see it goes in right here where we removed the cap at the beginning of the video. And I'm just right here draining out the very bottom of the what's left in the oil. And finally, reapply your oil cap. There we go. Okay, so the last thing to do here is to reset the oil life on the dash here. We're gonna put the car into accessory mode. It is now. And as soon as that screen goes away, vehicle info. We're gonna press to the right. Oh, there it is, oil life. Hold OK to reset. Right there is OK. And there it is. You have to make sure you have the car in run, not in accessory. There it is, job's all done. Hope this video helped you out. Please remember to like the videos and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time. Take care.